Farmer Dre back at it. Last night we got done spraying the trees, and it got super dark on me last night. I got in the house about 10:30. It was almost 11 o'clock by the time I even just parked the thing, and I had to close up all the high tunnels and greenhouses. So what I'm going to do this morning, I'm going to go ahead and pressure washer our tractor and the sprayer back there, get that cleaned up, and then we also have to wash some of our other equipment. You know, we don't like to keep them super dirty because then if the clear coat's off them, they just start rusting. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash this tractor. We gotta wash our skid loader and then another small tractor with a tiller on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. You guys go ahead, stick around. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and you guys stay tuned for the ride. Here we go. And so the skid steer really needs a wash. Just look at that. She is messy for sure. We're gonna get her cleaned up here real quick. Just a few more minutes and she'll be nice, sparkling, just as brand new. Looking brand new after it's all washed. Got the everything clean, nice, perfect. Alrighty, y'all, that's pretty much it for today. I got all the equipment washed, or the ones that were the most dirty. The tiller, the tractor, the sprayer, the skid steer. The skid steer probably took the longest because inside the cab there, we don't have a cab skid steer, and we don't really need one because we don't mess with a lot of dust or whatnot, and it's good to, I like communicating with the skid steer driver whenever we are working. So we have foot pedal controls. This is a New Holland. For you guys who don't know, New Hollands have, or not all of them, but most of them have the foot control for the bucket. And this part took the longest. It's just, and it's still not 100% clean. There's a bunch of mess there, but hey, I got most of it out of here. You can't really get it all out of here, but the back of it looks clean. Everything's ready to go. So if you guys made it up to this video, thanks for up to this point in this video. Go ahead. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe that to my channel, and we come to you guys 3 days a week here on the farm, on this channel. So you know it takes a lot of time and effort, but I go ahead and make up these videos for you guys. And I gotta leave now. I gotta actually go to class. I'm actually a student at Missouri State University. For the people who didn't know that, I'm actually studying horticulture there at Missouri State. So I gotta head to class, and that's pretty much all the work I'm gonna do today. Not too much, you know, in between classes and whatnot. I try to get as much stuff done here on the farm. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day, and we'll see you next time.